Hi guys, Colleen here to talk to you about Traditional Medicinals Echinacea Plus Elderberry tea. So this tea is really key for immune support. The Echinacea plus the added bonus of elderberry is really the 1-2 punch to producing and activating your immune cells. So this tea is really for fighting off all those germs out there, which you really need in those colder months when you know your whole office, household, school is getting sick. So now the added bonus of the elderberry concentrate is there to keep your immune system strong and resilient. And you know you're drinking an echinacea tea when your tongue starts to feel all tingly, but that's how you know it's good. And don't worry, the tingling stops. So that's why I like it. Try it out. If you like it too, tell your friends, tell your family, and spread the wellness.